RGC stock analysis tomorrow Friday. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Regencell Bioscience Holdings is a buy or not for me. First thing on the list is obviously going to be the 90% increase in price that we had on Thursday. Now, having called out in tens of thousands of, 10, 5, 10x, 20x moves, and having done 42,000 videos of seeing what's printing and what's not, especially with RGC, I think I already have my... Yeah, so last time I made a video, because it was pumping up, I was very open-minded for the long side, only if I saw a shift, a double break, and I never got it actually, and that's, again, fine. So ultimately looking at RGC, yeah man, I'm looking to double down, so I saw this first break. There's a second one above 28, and that's Gucci, but like randomly buying me, it's just not going to be happening. Like I'll definitely shy away from just forcing movements, but I know it's juicy now, but if there's a double break, only then I'm kind of getting involved, if you know what I mean. So that's how RGC is looking like. If you want my exact play, 1200, people have already tried it, absolute risk free, my picks and all that good jazz. Click the first link in the description, it's risk free. Get the insights.